Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Here is the job postings from today as on the date 23rd November 2020. The candidates, those who want to apply for the right positions, please do watch my full video. The first vacancy is for the position of Design and Technology Teachers from an UAE public school for the following Emirates of Abu Dhabi, Sharjah, Ajman, Fujairah, Ras Al Khaimah, Al Quwain and Dubai. Those who have an experience in computer science teaching field can apply for this position. Both the male and female candidates with a minimum of a bachelor's degree and a previous work experience of 2 years in a similar field can apply. And the fresh graduates also can apply for this position. The salary package is from 21,000 per month, all inclusive. You can forward your resume to the below provided email ID or can contact in the below provided number. The next vacancy is from Marjan Island Resort and Spa for the following positions of chef de partie, demi chef de partie, waiter cum waitress, steward, housekeeping attendant, lifeguard, public area attendant, reservation agent, spa and health club attendant and purchasing manager. The salary package is up to the industry standards. You can forward your resume to the below provided email ID. The next vacancy is from Fresh Planet in Dubai for the following position of Fruit and Vegetable Warehouse Supervisor, Fresh Food Supervisor, Fresh Food Assistant Supervisor and for the position of Document Controller. The salary package is unspecified. You can forward your resume to the below provided email ID. Next vacancy is from A&M International General Contracting LLC in Dubai for the following positions of Projects Director and Female Interior Designer. The salary package is unspecified. You can forward your resume to the below provided email ID. Next vacancy is for the position of Electrical Power Plant Technician from AG Engineering in Dubai. Candidate with an experience on diesel generator and ATS panels, UPS and battery banks, inverters and DC power systems and LV panels can apply for this position. The candidate with an experience of 2 to 3 years at a facility management industry can apply for this position. Must have completed ITI or diploma in a relevant field. The salary package is unspecified. You can forward your resume to the below provided email ID or can contact in the below provided numbers. The next vacancy is for the position of a female HR officer cum HR assistant in Abu Dhabi. Candidate with a UAE healthcare experience can apply for this position. The salary package is unspecified. You can forward your resume to the below provided email ID. Here is a vacancy for the position of a female receptionist cum document controller from a drugstore in Ajman. Candidates with fluency in English and Hindi language can apply for this position. Must be on a husband or father visa. The salary package is unspecified. You can contact in the below provided number. Next vacancy is for the position of Logistics and Delivery Coordinator in Dubai. Candidate within 2 to 3 years of UAE experience and with a good communication skills can apply for this position. The salary package is as per the company standards. You can forward your resume to the below provided email ID. The last vacancy is for the position of accountant from Laith Al Obaidi Group in Dubai. Candidate with an experience of 5 years in automotive industry can apply for this position. Salary package is as per the company standards. You can forward your resume to the below provided email ID. Hi friends, if you find my video useful, please subscribe to my channel for more daily UAE jobs and for the job related queries. And also press the bell icon for receiving daily UAE job notifications immediately onto your phone. If you have any doubt regarding any of these job postings, please do let me know in my comment box below. Good luck on your job search and may God bless you all.